Hi, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in the North Seattle area. This is a beautiful lawn, beautiful property, and it's got a nice view. And today is about, I believe, August 6th. It's a Monday, right after Seafair. And this yard, it's got an irrigation system. It's drying out. It's a big old evergreen tree here, sucking moisture out of the lawn. The lawn's losing its color and it's having some problems. So what I did for the client here today is I double aerated this lawn, I seeded and I fertilized this lawn. And I call that a lawn tune-up. And then I applied a soil wetting agent. That's wetting, W-E-T-T-I-N-G. Soil wetting agent. This complements lawn aeration. It actually treats the soil, allows the water to move horizontally and vertically through the soil root profile. And so the water that he will be applying here, the client, to the new seeds, will be able to get down to the root zone very, very easily. This is good for about 45 days, and that treatment is. And also I've applied 100 pounds of my soil amendment. I'm trying, this is new construction within the last 2 years now. And I'm trying to repair the tired soil that this sod was originally laid on. And trying to bring this back to a healthy existing lawn. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And I'm gonna try to make it back here in a couple of weeks' time and see my results. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.